Good evening. I'm coming to you from Albany, Georgia. As you can see behind me, I'm at the Hampton Inn and Suites. We're about to go check in for the night, and I'm going to give you a full room tour and a tour of the property as well, and also get a good night's sleep before we head off to our next adventure here in Georgia. All right, let's go make some memories. As you can kind of see, the parking lot is full. This is a Thursday night that we're here and the parking lot's full. There's a lot of activity, a lot of people traveling, I guess, this week. Coming up for this weekend, I guess. But alright, let's go get in here and get checked in and get some sleep. Alright, so getting off the elevator, here we go. We're staying in room 414. Let's give you the room tour. All right. Here's the bathroom. Hi. Normal bathroom. Everything's clean. Plenty of towels. Nice normal looking shower. Looks nice. Ooh. Painting on the wall, some flowers. Let's see what we got over here. Some other sort of flowers. Thermostat. We have 2 queen beds in here. Lamp, phone. Ooh, let's see what's in the drawers. Anything in here? The Holy Bible. Sometimes you see those, sometimes you don't. There's a TV. Behind this door is the mini fridge. Our stuff is in there now. However, when we first got to the room, there was like still stuff in there. There was some nasty smelling food in there. So they didn't clean out the mini fridge. The rest of the room looks perfectly fine and clean. I guess they just forgot to check the mini fridge, whoever did the room cleaning. And there was some food in there and it stunk, so it had to have been in there for a couple of days. I threw it away in the hallway trash can. Then we have our TV, microwave, some storage space. Oh, that's better. Desk. They did give us 2 cans of Coke for being Hilton Honors members and some cookies, some Lorna Doone cookies, which is always nice when you check into the hotel. This is our view from our room. Looking out into Albany, Georgia. Alright, so that's kind of our room tour. Got checked in. Gonna show you around the rest of the hotel and then get some sleep. Forgot to show this little closet. There's extra linens, ironing board, and of course a luggage rack down there. Forgot to show that. And then of course the door over here. Coming out of our room, heading to the elevators. Oops. And then here's the ice and vending right by the elevators. Standard trash cans or the stinky garbage under the butt. Take on. Alright. Down to level 1 to the lobby. It's a selfie dog. We've seen him before. I'm not sure. Okay, that's where they store their luggage carts if you need help getting your luggage up to your room. I've got my room key. Oh. Alright. Okay, there's a little area to sit out here. Looks like some people have been smoking out here. Sorry, it's a little dark. I know the lighting on the GoPro is not exactly great. All right, then here's the pool. Obviously, we are here in February, so we are not going in the pool. It's a little chilly. It was about 80 degrees today, so it was kind of warm enough a little bit, but you can tell the pool's not being used because there's leaves all over it, and it's definitely not been cleaned. The pool hours for when it is open, when it's warmer out, are from 8 to 10 for registered guests only. Children have to have an adult, and Unattended solo bathing is prohibited. So that means you're supposed to be down here with somebody. Even if you're an adult, you're supposed to have a buddy with you, because there's no lifeguard on duty. Alright, here's kind of a view of our hotel. Nice Hampton Inn so far. What we've seen, I like it. Okay, they have a fitness center. It's open 6 a.m. to midnight. There's somebody in there working out, so I'm not going inside, give them their privacy. But right off the fitness center here, the hint I always give, the bathrooms that are downstairs. If you got somebody else in your room that's taking too long, you can sneak down here and use the bathroom so you don't have to wait. Let's see what else is this way. Not quite sure. Maintenance. Oh, okay, Gala 1s. This is like a... Ah, it is open. Let's see if we can turn on the light. Okay, this room was called Gala 1. It's kind of like a meeting room, as you can see. Not all hotels have that, but it's nice when they do. My guess is there's one down here probably called Gala 2. Let's see. Haha, Gala 2. It's going to be the same thing, same kind of room. So let's go see what else is down here. Let's check out the lobby. They told me that breakfast is from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. So that's a good long time period, whether you're an early riser or a late sleeper. You can definitely not miss breakfast then. Then they have the little shop here. They have ice creams and drinks and snacks. See, here's the lobby down here. Come on, dude. They also have their business center here. There's 2 computers and a printer, which is always helpful, and some phones. All right. And then we got, this is the lobby area and the breakfast area. And they got a little area where you can get some coffee too, which is cool. Very cool. Good morning. We finished our stay here at the Hampton Inn & Suites in Albany, Georgia. Overall, it's a very clean hotel. However, there were a few things that definitely need to be improved. In our bathroom, there was only 1 roll of toilet paper, and we barely had any tissues. I think we had about 4 tissues is all in the box that was left. So we ran out like instantly. The light in the bathroom, there was 2 lights, one on each side of the mirror. One of the lights was burned out as well, so it was a little dark in the bathroom, especially at night. There was food left in our refrigerator. I should have showed that in the video. I didn't think about it. It stunk so bad I wanted to get it out of the room, so I wasn't worried about filming it. So we threw that away in the hallway bathroom. But overall, the stay was decent. The hotel was clean. The staff that we did encounter seemed to be friendly. So if you're passing through Albany, Georgia, maybe, maybe not. That's the honest review. Maybe, maybe not. It was overall clean, which is great. I mean, that's the most important thing to me, staying in a hotel, is that it's clean. So from that aspect, if I was passing through and I needed a go-to hotel, I'd come back. I would just hope that my refrigerator in my room had been cleaned out prior to my check-in. Alright, so if you like this video, you like our hotel room reviews, hit that like button down below. Share this video with a friend. Maybe you got somebody who's traveling to this area and they want to know about a hotel. Share it with them. Leave us a comment down below. If you're subscribed, thanks for watching as always. If not, hit that subscribe button down there. Join our family. Let's keep it going. Alright guys, we'll see you down the road. We got a bunch of fun adventures coming up the next few days. Can't wait to share them with you. Can't wait to experience them. Alright, so as always guys, we'll see you soon.